Welcome back to another video. But before we get into this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. In today's challenge, we're going to do a healthy versus snack challenge.
No! Healthy versus junk food challenge.
My bad. Alright, so when doing that challenge, we're going to use this little tool here to help us. So either you get a healthy snack, or a junk food,
or nothing at all,
or just
to
water.
drink water. Not Irish Spring, Crystal Punch.
Alright, so let's get into this video.
Ready? After 2, 1. Ooh.
Junk food.
Junk food! Yay! Yay me! Yay me!
Alright, let's go. My turn.
Yep, your turn.
Healthy.
So I got my burger from Popeyes. I really wanted to try their chicken sandwich. Yay me!
I do not know what this is.
It is Chinese fruit. No. Dragon fruit. Wow.
Oh my God.
It's pretty inside. Look guys, it's so pretty. Let's do this. Want some? Nope, you're not getting any.
This is the new Popeyes
chicken.
Deluxe, guys. This new sandwich just came to Canada.
Where to buy it?
Yeah. Alright, so let's do this. Ready?
Yep. Everybody go crazy over this sandwich.
It's not bad, guys. It's fresh.
How it tastes?
I don't know.
Good, bad?
It's not bad. But it doesn't taste like anything.
This is okay. It's not worth all the hype, but it's okay.
Alright, guys.
Next
So-
round. My turn. Watch me eat.
Alright, my turn. Please be junk.
Please be junk what you get. Aloe vera. It's good for you. This is so good, babe. Don't feel bad. It's so good for you. It has a lot of minerals and vitamins. It's good for the skin, beautiful hair, and everything.
I don't think it's supposed to be ingested though. Alright, so I'm just gonna take one bite.
Oh gosh, Andre, a bit of oh my gosh! Swallow, 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 swallow. Ew, man, don't throw. If you throw, we can throw.
One eternity later.
I'm the one throwing up. Like, ew. Oh my god. Ew. I'm dying. Ew. Oh my god. Babe, my feet.
Alright, so that was
I was here gagging, y'all. Y'all saw me. I was gagging.
dude, that's not food. It's not.
Let's move on. Hopefully we can get something to drink to wash it down.
Yeah.
Like I ate it. But anyway.
Alright, let's go.
Healthy! Yeah, I don't mind.
No, we have to do it again.
Healthy? No, we can be both.
Both healthy?
Yeah.
Alright. So we both got something healthy, right?
Yay.
So Tiola's gonna eat aloe vera.
Which aloe vera? No, that already gone. You already did that. Nope.
Alright, so
Yeah. Let's dig right in.
so strawberry.
Want strawberry? No, try the strawberry. Strawberry kind of sour.
It's good. Now this is like a good healthy snack. Fine, it's good.
Babe, try the pine. It is so sweet.
This is good.
Let's try the cantaloupe.
I don't know what that was earlier.
That is alright. I was running all over the house while Andre was vomiting. Like, it was epic.
Good. No, I'm not a fan. You can eat that.
It's a challenge, so you're gonna eat one too.
Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay.
Eat it. What is called again? Honeydew.
I don't know.
That's cantaloupe. That's honeydew.
Oh, that's enough of this one.
New round. Let's see what we got.
Really?
Junk food again. Well, I could really do with some junk food. Healthy. You love healthy foodie? You really love healthy food. I admire you. When I grow up, I want to be just like you one day.
Alright, what am I eating this time around?
Well, on the menu, we have broccoli, tomatoes, eggplant.
Okay.
These nuts. Got him!
You choose. Or you could choose a healthy juice.
Healthy juice. I'm good at that.
Well, I have Popeye's onion rings. This is gonna be interesting because I've never thought about trying onion rings before. I don't know if I'm going to enjoy it, so let's see. The thought of it just.
Have you ever tried this before?
Of course.
This one? This letter?
Yep, it's
Okay.
good. Here we go.
Ready?
Onion rings.
Oh, that looks so good.
Really?
It's not bad, guys, but it's not good. Really?
It's just weird.
Onion rings? You see what should happen right now? That looks so lovely.
It's not excellent either.
Wow. New round.
Let's see what we're gonna get. Healthy. Oh, I got healthy.
Nice.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Okay. My turn.
I've had enough junk food, guys. Like, I think it's fair. Watch me eat. Okay.
You know what? I'll watch her heat. I'm gonna watch.
Heat.
I'll watch her. No, don't do that.
You're afraid of the eggplant?
That's a penis.
That's ridiculous. There's no way this majestic tower can be confused with the male organ of love.
Let's do this. Alright, I'm gonna cut it down here. So.
Ah!
What? See? It's just that. It's just that. Guys, I do not know if I can eat it raw, so if I die, it's Andre's fault.
You don't have to eat such a big piece.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna cut it.
Just take a single bite. Can you eat the skin?
I don't know. Let's do this. Wanna do it with me?
No. No, you have to eat it. I ate that nasty aloe vera. So eat it.
I eat it too, babe.
No, you never
I
eat
was
aloe vera.
watching you eat it and it made me gag too.
Yeah, eat
I
it.
didn't feel good when
Yeah.
you were eating it.
Eat.
It's bitter.
And that's not my fault. I'm gonna watch you eat it. No, no. Full bite, y'all.
It's bitter. We can taste the bitterity.
Don't taste it.
Bitter
Just,
juice.
just bite it. That's why I did the aloe vera. I swallowed it. Eat
But
it.
the aloe vera is slippery. It can go down your throat fast. I actually have to chew this.
I had vomit in my mouth when I swallowed.
Oh my gosh, Andre, stop calling the word vomit.
Go ahead.
Ah. Alright, to be honest, it's not that bitter as I thought. Like, I swear me taste something bitter. Tastes like raw pumpkin. Aren't it?
No, I'm good.
Or raw squash.
There's
I
not-
don't know.
One more bite.
Guys,
and
let
you're
me know what I can do with the eggplant after this. Like, something tasty. Like, cook it or something.
good. Yeah.
I'm not having any more.
So she cheated. She
No, I
nibbled.
didn't. I didn't.
She nibbled. Let's do the math. Nibbled. Is that okay?
Yeah. I hope I'll get something to drink. I hope I'll get the Sprite to drink to wash that
Yeah.
taste out of my mind.
Alright, let's go.
Healthy! Oh my gosh! I wanted the Sprite. I really wanted it.
My turn.
What's that?
Healthy.
Healthy! Yeah,
Yeah.
let's both have some broccoli. So here we have some broccoli.
Today we have some tomatoes. Yes.
Yes,
Tomatoes.
with some ranch dip.
This is my dip, not yours.
Whatever. What's yours is mine. What's mine is mine.
Sure. How is that?
It's good.
Can it be eaten raw?
I like broccoli with ranch. Right. You have to try.
No, that's your healthy meal.
No, you have
No.
to try it, babe. I'm gonna try
Guys,
tomato.
This is her healthy meal. This is my healthy meal. So I'm good. I don't
But
want
we're
to
both having a healthy meal, so
Yeah.
it doesn't matter.
No, it
try
does.
it.
It does matter.
Try it. No.
I'll try that next round. That's nasty. Mhm.
It's not.
Yeah. So next round you can give me broccoli, but for now I eat simple food. Yes.
It's good. So this is the final round.
All right. Let's see what happens.
Hopefully I will get the
Ice cream.
the
Junk food
ice
again.
cream. I don't know what you're gonna get for healthy food though.
I could get junk food.
Oh, let's see.
All right. You go.
I wouldn't mind if I get healthy food so I could try the Chinese fruit. Alright, let's go.
Dragon fruit.
Boring. Boring.
My turn. Yes.
What's that?
I feel so bad.
Alright, you can have your ice cream.
Junk food. This is the best way to end the video, guys. So I'm gonna take my time, and while we do this, we're gonna talk about our day, our feelings, our situation,
You want ice cream?
things in life. So the first thing is, Yella, how's your day going? Going good? Mine's not so bad. This is lovely. So,
That's it, guys.
yes. And thanks for watching our healthy versus
Junk
Food
food
challenge.
challenge. And I hope you enjoyed it. And please do not forget to comment down below what you would like to see us do next, so we can literally just try it out. And please do not forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey guys, hold up. Don't go away just yet. Alright, so guys, we have a very serious information to relate to you guys. So one of our subscribers reached out to us. Her name is Natalia Ricketts. She reached out to us about her pursuing her education here, her interest in pursuing her education here in Canada. And like many of us, including myself, I have been there. I understand, and I can see heart to heart with her. Basically, she has all the interest, but she needs some assistance financially in order to achieve that dream. So some of us, we just need the opportunity, right, babe? And we just need a little extra push.
Yeah, we've all been there. So we're gonna put her link in the description. If you want to read more about her story, please do. And guys, reach out.
Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?